Alright guys, today I'm just gonna teach you how to repair iPhone 5s battery. Here you got iPhone 5s. So today we're just gonna replace the iPhone 5s battery. As you already know, every iPhone that has got bottom two screws will first open these two. Yeah, with this first one and the second one. And then with this steel rod will just lift LCD from here. I've already lifted, so it's just open. You just need to open the home button a little bit here. Here you go. That's the two battery connectors. We're just gonna open these ones. And the second one, and there's the steel thing. And there's battery connector, you just unplug it. There you go. Now here are the two ribbons tape. You just need to pull it slightly, then all the battery will come out. Here you go, as I've already taken out the battery, so there you go, that's your battery which I've just taken out from the iPhone 5s. These are the tape. I will just leave these tapes. So that's the new battery we got. So I will just first connect the battery with the connector on the port. That's it. And then I will just put it like so that the screen will go properly on the top. Here you go, as you can see, it's properly adjusted. Now I will just put back these steel cover and the two screws back in. As you can see, the iPhone 5s battery is very easy replacement, so it's not that hard. There you go. Now I will just adjust the screen from top, and I will put back the home button flex to the port. You will feel when the button is clicked in. Here you go. That's done. That's done. That is just a little piece of home button cover. You just need to put it back. Right. That's it. Here you go. Right. That's it. So done. Now we'll put back the screen very slightly. Then put back these two bottom screws. Sorry for all the disturbances and noise in the background, as these repairs are straight from the outlet in the busy market. So just ignore the voices, and thanks for your patience. So I'm just powering on the phone, and I'm just putting it on charge because this is the new battery. Might have a little bit charge, not that much. to just come on. It's just doing on the screen. You can see it's here. That's charging, so it's done. Right guys, so today I've just shown you how to replace iPhone 5s battery. If you like the video, please comment below, share it and subscribe the channel. Till the new repair, see you then, bye.